Good morning. Hello. What's up? You can't hear me, right? Let me know if you can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Just let me know. Yo. Morning. Perfect. We're gonna go through over some tickers. Quite a few runners I'm watching. LAES, SNES, MBOT, NVFY. Let's just see which ones run. Of course. Perfect. Revising. Yes. Let me just quickly look over the top gainer this. Give me 1 minute. I'll start. Just gonna look over the top gainers quickly. Saying SNES. And CNUI, MBOT, VS. No, you got Pally. SNS. SNS very interesting. Okay. Yeah, these are the plays. Yeah, MBOT needs back above, I'd say, around this trend line. So just keep an eye on that trend line, the horizontal line. So right now, if we get back above here, we should push towards 1.86. Yeah, it had a bit of a rising kind of like a wedge. SNES is nice. Let's go. SNES nice. Nah, I didn't retire, bro. I had the baby shares. I'm be honest with you. I didn't have big shares. I didn't have much because I don't trade the pre-market after hours. I usually trade smaller size. I trade with like my lotto account. That's how I've improved as a trader as well, because I don't have as much pressure on me. A lot of people pre-market and after hours they ruin their account as well because you can't use a stop loss. So I'll just stick to trading with smaller size. But yeah, it was a good trade. CING is crazy, right? Look at those wicks. What are those wicks? I just want to know, what are these? Are they just some sort of glitch or what? WLDS. Okay, let's check out GCT. Obviously not a lot of volume right now, but it's a higher time frame play. 18.6, 18.9. That's your most significant level on this chart. This level here. So around 19.6. So you got your 18.6 level, you got 19.6, and then you got around the 21, 22 area. So those are your levels for GCT. WLDS. Just check this out. I've got WLDS. I'm gonna mark the 0.44 level as a pre-market high. I'm gonna see if this does what's that play yesterday that we played, ROI. It might do the same thing. Let me just mark this pre-market. I'm just gonna mark the high and see what it does into open, because it doesn't have a bad chart, to be honest with you. Like this is the high. It's like a daily high as well. And after that we could possibly push towards that gap fill. Yeah, so I just got an eye on this. I'll keep an eye on it. Move it down the list though for now. Alt continuation, UCAR. I'm gonna wait for 0.25 break. So I'm just gonna mark this pre-market high here. Show the market. I like UCAR quite a bit actually, because it got room towards 0.26 is first, and then we got room towards 0.35. I'm just going to keep an eye on this as well. Of course, I'm just going to leave this here on the list. What about Sing? What's the VS thoughts? VS, let me just check VS first, and then I'll go back. I'll go get to your stocks, guys. Don't worry, guys. Hit that like button up. Hit that like button up. Let's get those likes rolling in. VS. I know I'm gonna like the higher time frame. Okay. So you got a lot of resistance here in the 0.2 level. You got a lot of resistance. There's a lot of resistance here. A lot. In terms of the volume, we need a lot more volume in my opinion. 175k. So I'd like a lot more volume today. If you get a lot more volume, if you could exceed, if you get 1 million per, I don't know, 1 minute candle, then I'll be interested in this. For now, I'm not too interested. But levels, as you can see, we've got this 0.22 level, and then we got this 0.25 level, then this 0.3 level. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance here. Look, previous historical volume, we had 128 million in one day, and we hit 0.4, and then this one we hit 1.3. So as long as we get the volume back to the upside, we should push. But let's see. To keep this below right now. In case it does run. What else we have? Yeah, not much volume, like you said. Those are corrections that they make a bit of trades, but not sure. Yeah, I think you might be right on that. It's something to do with that. That's what I know. Something to do with the ask and bid or whatever. Sing. Let's just check out Sing. CING. Okay, CING. Oh, see, I'm not gonna look to trade this trade. I've got my lot of shares. That's about it. Unless maybe we get above 17. The reason being is there is a possible it could have an offering or whatever. I don't know too much about the company if they are going to offer, but what these companies do is they'll push it up. There'll be a lot of shorts on this, so you're kind of playing against a good amount of shorts. If you do want this trade, let's say if you do want to scalp this, you go in for 1 minute close above here, and it's a higher risk scalp. Don't get me wrong, it is higher risk. You're risking about 8%, 9%. But I wouldn't play anything but lottery shares on this. Lottery shares meaning shares that you don't really care about. Some fun money. LAES is still in the downtrend. LAES, I'll like it above 1.85 before I consider this. Or this is what trend is following. It's kind of following this kind of trend, so maybe back above this, and you could possibly take a scalp. SNES looks good. SNES, I'm watching the 1.75 level. The reason why I like SNES a lot today as well is we filled that gap. I mentioned this gap yesterday, and once we close above this level, we got room towards 2.1, just there. And then we got room towards 3.09. So it's just good to keep an eye on this one for today. Keep an eye on this. MBOT just needs back above this trend, and we should start pushing again. Again, I don't know how it's gonna go, but let's see. NVFY is currently a sport. What we want from this is we kind of want it to break back above this level here. So you look left and you see that little area of sport. Then we just move a horizontal line. Let me just draw another trend line because the broker is trying to retest. So maybe back above this, you could probably take a scalp. Won't be a bad scalp. See, I know a lot of people are swinging alt. ALT is a high swing trade from a lot of people. So I think a lot of swingers are in this place. So I'll look at it. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So alt. Even I got some for a swing, but it just needs to break back above this level, right? This 11.912 level. Looks like a lot of people are trying to. Looks like people start to sell in this area. It depends. Do you believe in this long term? How long term do you believe in this? Does a company have cash in hand? What are the competitors like? So it's more. You need to do more research on this. So look at its nearest competitors. Look at what it does. Look at if it has any offerings. Look at if it has cash in hand, and then you could go from there if you want to invest this long term. But yeah. Let's just check out a couple more plays. NVFY, MBOT. MBOT is curling. MBOT needs to break back above. MBOT does look good. It doesn't look too bad. It looks good, but it's still in that. It's in like a penna looking thing. Test. I'm just trying to see if there's any other tickers running. Let me just check if there's any other tickers running currently. Give me a second. So I'm going to go through my watch list quickly. on we bull. Okay. Let's check it out. VVL, Sing, NVFY, Egox, VS, CNUI. Quickly look at the top gain. Let's see if there's anything running that I like. There'll be 2 seconds. Sing, NVFY, B by N. Nope. Not enough volume. Boy, BLB, BLDS, Egox. Just trying to see if there's any other runners, to be honest with you. Nothing else really moving. Let me just check out Pally for you. Just check it out. Li Pally list. Okay. Pally's daily is quite nice. I marked this earlier on today. It's got a nice daily. The daily is quite clean. I got room towards 1.25. And then got this gap fill around 1.7ish as well. 1.5 obviously. You got resistance here as well. But it's a quite intriguing play to see. I'd like to see more volume. It looks like it is trying to reverse, but there's not enough volume right now in my opinion. So one sell could bring it down quite fast. That's my only downside to this right now. But yeah, you keep an eye on it into open. It could be a runner. Like I said, it could be a runner. So I'll just keep an eye on it into open. But those are your levels that are marked. Those are your levels. Below. Let's look at NRBO. BO, NRBO, and BRBO. Ooh, this is a runner, isn't it? She's a runner. She's a track star. Bloody hell. Let me just look at the high time frame. Wow. Let me just check this. Then. This level here, 7.9, seems to be a significant level on this. Let me just put it back on the daily. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance in this area, to be honest with you. Just give me a second. Let me just move this up a bit. Let's switch over to the 1 minute chart in a minute. It's just marking these daily levels. Just looking left every time we mark it. So look at this area here. Rejected before. $5 there. Okay, let's just check it out. Yeah, it is low volume. I'd like it to base. See what it does once it bases, isn't it? Let's see. Okay, as we got HRYU. Let's just check it out. HRYU. Watch list. There you go. There's no volume on this right now, right? Like I'm not interested in it unless it has more volume. But 1.52 above that, it interests me. I like the chart a lot on the daily. One of these days they probably will run. These plays always do. And plus the daily is not too bad. The daily is forming a high and low. I think a lot of people would swing. And if it has any good catalysts coming up, blah blah, and there's a lot of demand behind it, people might swing this. I don't know, because buyers just step up in this area. So just look at it, keep an eye on it. If it's an attractive swing, the daily is not too bad in that sense. What's your risk? You're risking what below this? So you're risking about 30%, and you could reward is about 70%, 60%. Not that bad. Okay, let's just check our ROI. Does it reverse today? I don't know. I'm not too sure. It looks 30 minutes. It looks like it is bouncing. So let's just check it out. Very interesting on this here. Try to keep an eye on it. So you want to kind of wait back above this trend. Once we could get back above this trend, we should start seeing a reversal. Keep an eye on it. Just looking at the 5 minute chart, 1 minute. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Not bad. So yeah, I can't see a reversal today. That is a chance. So I probably see it back above 0.4 towards that 0.52 area. Yeah, 1 minute chart there. Yeah, not as bad. Currently instantly in the downtrend, but yeah, not too bad at all. So we'll keep an eye on it. Let me just move this down. NRVO. NRVO just faded out, didn't it? NVFY needs back of 3.65. It's currently in a steep downtrend, so I'll just wait. I'd be more patient with this one. I'll just wait. If it could hold, what it'll probably do to open is probably push into open. One of those plays that does that, and but SNES. Nice. LEAS looking nice. From here to here so far. About 5% move so far. Let me check our bets for you. Give me a second. Okay. The best chart is it's our key level right now. If we close under this, it won't be good. What I want is I want it back above this 0.150 level for me to really be interested in a play like this. So back above here, you can see this is an area of resistance. So you kind of want it back above. Want it to break, base, and push. So this is what you want. This is the pattern you want on it, right? I don't really trade BTC, but the daily broke out. The daily is retesting. I do think this will probably run again. It came back, retested, and it's pushing back up. Let's just check the 4 hour out. Yeah, maybe just wait for it to get back above this level, this 4 hour level, from here to here. If you could get a nice close above, probably push again. NVFI. NVFI is trying to go. It just needs to close above. You could possibly get a quick scalp on it. Yeah, not bad entries. Just keep your stops. I'll keep a stop. It's higher risk though. It's like 7-8% risk. That's the only issue I have with this right now. 7% risk. That's why I don't really trade pre-market too much, but it's not bad entries. MBOT, LAES. Okay, let's see. What else is running? MBOT, SNES, NVFY. NVFY, there you go. What a move. Bloody hell. What a move. Okay, NVFI, there you go. What a move, wow. Damn. What a nice move, yeah. See, look, we break, we coming back, we retested, bang, gone. Just a higher risk trade, that's what it was. Right now, the best looking one is NVFY. Okay, let me just move some of these tickets when I watch this. Low volume. I'll add them later if I need to, but for now I don't need them. Remove bets as well, I don't need this for now. Pali, ooh! Okay, I'm keeping you on the watch. ROI, I'm gonna keep. I'll keep. WLDS, I'll keep it because I wanna see if this goes to my pre-market high. UCA, I'm gonna keep. CING, I'll keep. BCLI, I'm gonna remove for now. Yes, LAS is our key level. Let me check at SNES. SNES just needs to break back 1.75. There's a lot of resistance here, it seems like. So I'll see what that does into open, you know. NVFI. And then you got MBOT. MBOT looking nice. Guys, hit up that like button, let's go to the likes up. But yeah, these are the runners right now. If you guys got any other suggestions, you can let me know. You're more than welcome to, and I'm more than happy to check it out. I'm just gonna quickly go through the watch list again. But these are your runners for now, your main runners. You know, M-Bot, your NEBFY, LAES isn't trying. LAES is a bit of higher risk because it's being beat down so much. So you have to be quick with this one. You have to be very, very quick with this one. This is like a more of a quick scalp. And then with SNES, it looks good because we are in an overall uptrend. Like if you look at the 30-minute chart, the 30-minute chart is still up, nice. So bulls are still in control. Whereas if you look at something like LAES, if you look at LAES at 30 minutes, we're in a steep downtrend. So that's something to like keep an eye on and monitor because it means shorts are controlled. So the structure still hasn't broken. So when you look at the higher time frames, it tells you more than you know. In that sense, like look at this. So you kind of, when something goes in a steep downtrend, it's key to know, okay, let me look at the higher time frames when it's very, very steep, by the way, like this, and look at those red candles. You want an overall downtrend, uptrend. So that's why I say switch to a 30-minute. But most of the time you will catch some nice bottoms. Hopefully this does run. I'm hoping this runs. It'll be a good runner if it does. It'll clear levels quite quick. M-Bot, lovely, lovely. Let's go. Did anyone take M-Bot when I said break? NVFY. NVFY, another one. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. Let me just. Just quick. Let me just quickly post on Twitter. Come on, let's go. Ember. Let me just check the other one, NVFY. You're beautiful, lovely. Okay, let's check out BAOS. BOS is obviously no volume at all right now, so I'll be patient with this and wait for back above 5.8 or something. No volume, nothing really too attractive about this currently. LAES morning. Let me just check it out for you. So again, I will take profits along the way because it is a bit. Your stops are under this level here, under the wedge. But if you get another push towards this level, just take some profits along the way because it is a bit more risky because the overall structure of the stock is bearish. By looking at the 30-minute chart, even the look of the 5-minute chart, it's had a huge drop. So the overall structure is quite bearish in that sense. But something I learned last week where I was like, okay, I tried to play a stock that was in a steep downtrend and it took my stops. Then I know why. Now I know why it took it because it was in a steep downtrend. But again, it's not harmful because you could try timing the bottom. If you try to time the bottom, it's not bad. Again, everything has a risk. Just keep your risk and you're fine, right? Hopefully it runs. I'm counting on it to run, hopefully. But if not, then it is what it is. I think it will run if the 5-minute breaks back above and closes above. Once that closes above, this will run quite good. So we'll just keep an eye on that, right? M-Bot started to reject this level now. So now this into open, what I want to see now is 1.86. That's the level I want to see as break because we can't get above that level, right? We can't really break this level here, just here. Yeah, so yeah, this 1.85 level actually high. Yeah, 1.85. Look at the daily on this. I still like the daily on this, to be honest with you. Daily is not too bad. But yeah, I'll keep an eye on this. Yeah, the steeper the riskier because if something's steep, it's more attractive for bears. So if we saw this and we had 3 green candles in a row, we'd think, okay, this looks good. We're in a nice uptrend. But this is where shorts are thinking, okay, this is good for us. We're in a nice downtrend. And let's try getting this down even more, right? So that's how it is. Let me check for WLDS. So NVFI. NVFI I need back above this, but NVFI now you want to look left again. Look, when you look left here, you'll see, okay, there's resistance here, right? And then there's resistance here. This is the most significant level, 4.5. So yeah, but BCTX. So again, absolute. Look at that drop. See, this is why I don't look at the volume and the drop. One cell could send it down so many cents. This is why I don't really look too much into this. Maybe if you could bring it back up to 5.7, 5.8. But yeah, not too interested in this one. NVFI. Yeah, UCAR, I like it. I'm gonna see what happens to open. I've got my pre-market high mark. I'm gonna wait for the 0.25 break. See what it does in that level. And MFA. I hope it's not low volume again. I absolutely despise low volume days. Okay, not bad. There's some volume coming into it. It's got a lot of resistance in this area. A lot of resistance. I prefer it over here. Over 1.55. Yes, that'd be a run. That'd be a nice run. But it'd be a cleaner play. So you got resistance at 1.88, and then you got your main area at 2.25. For now, I'm just gonna leave it and watch this to the bottom. Keep it there. Let's just look at the 1 minute. Or you could try timing the 1 minute and pull back, which again is more risky because we've already rejected this level so many times. Look, how many times we rejected this level? Here. So this stock has a history of popping and dropping. But look, actually, wait. I think you might be able to look at the volume on this candle. 104.1 million. Look at the 4 hour key. Volume is not too bad in that sense, though. But yeah, I'll keep an eye on it to open. I'll just keep it. See if it does follow through. If it follows through, then not bad. NVFI is going. Come on. Let's push. NVFI. Let's see what else is. Hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button. Just see what else is trending. SNES looks good. It looks good. It looks nice. Doesn't look bad at all. Broken down trend, etc. So LAES is not looking too good right now. It's just bearish candles. It needs to get back above this trend, right? That's what it needs. Hoping it does. Sing. I'm just gonna remove this. UCAR, WLDS, Alt. F5. Let me just look through the watch list again. Let me just quickly look through this. Let's see what else is running. Everything that I've already got on watch list is running. Let me look at the top gainer list. Looking through these tickers, let's see what else is running. NVFI looks looking good. Okay, look, see guys how I react to this level. Look, resistance. You can just tell. That's why sometimes you need to be very quick with the sells. That's why I like playing stocks in the first hour, because you don't have this as much. Volume will overtake this. So right now it's 20k volume, 90k volume. So into open, volume is much higher, which is why these levels won't matter too much, right? Because look, the volume on this is 20k, 90k, 90k. The volume on this is 20k, 90k. But when the volume goes above 100k, 150k on the 1 minute candles, buyers become much more stronger than the sellers. So it's easier to break. So that's why it's key to keep an eye on these volume candles, right? It's very, very important to keep an eye on that. Because when the volume gets higher and the volume here is low, it will break very easily and very comfortably. So that's why when I'm looking to open, I prefer the open. Momentum much higher. But yeah, this does look good. It looks good. It's trying to break. So let's see what it does. Maybe if I see CNUI. Let's see what else is running. BLES, Zing, maybe DGE. These are the only ones I really running, to be honest with you. Yes, NBFY as well. Silo, let me check it out. SILO. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. There's a lot of resistance, a lot of rejection, so maybe back above 1.8. Yeah, but not yet. I don't like the daily on it, personally. But SNES, LAES. LAES. Let's see. So LAES. Bounce. Well, it says there USEAR, WLS. These are the runners for now. Looks like nothing else is really running. MFA, let's see, what's this one do? It's fading away. I'll see it to open what it does, but move for now. Yeah, these are your runners for now, it looks like. NVFI is the best one right now, in my opinion. This is the best play currently. Yeah, let's see what it does. 4.5 and 5.13 areas of significant resistance. SNES just needs a pop. Whatever happens to open will be key. Oh, look, this is a range. This is what you call a range. This is a huge range. Look at all that here until here-ish. So into open, it'll decide its direction, right? Let's just keep it here. Let's just keep this here. Probably around here-ish. Close above. We should see that next leg. MBOT, NVFI. Yeah, the NVFI is the best one. Without a shadow of a doubt. LAES, what's it gonna do? Honestly, I'm gonna ignore this unless the 5 minute breaks back above. Then maybe it starts getting bullish. I think it's doing wake off accumulation. So if it does probably break back above this, let's see the risk you'd have. Like 7% risk, so. And the 5 minute will also be reversing. The only bad thing is the higher time from 30 minutes is bearish currently. But 30 minutes also look like this has been eating up. The candle is being eaten here. So buyers are trying to step up. Let me look at the volume. The lower volume pullback. So it needs to be a few more green candles to see how it does. Let's see how it does. SNES. NVFI. Okay, nice. Yes, okay. Just keep an eye on these for now. These are the tickets I watch for now. Let's see what they do. CNY, SNES, there's MBOT, NBFI, VSE, Goxing, WLES, GGG, NXU, EX. These are the only runners for now, to be honest with you. There's nothing else really going, from what I'm seeing. These are your main runners. Maybe into open you'll probably see different runners, hopefully. But for now, these are your main ones. I see another one. BBLG is not too bad as well. Quickly look at that. Yeah, BBLG is not too bad, honestly. Let's just keep an eye on the daily. Let's look at the daily first. There. And that's a level on the daily, and there's another level around here-ish. 6th level, above 6, probably around here-ish. Around this level here. Rejected the most. Looking at the volume on these candles, there's not a lot of volume on these candles, apart from this one, 5.5 million. If you exceed that today, you should see a nice push. Not a bad play at all, it's a nice play. That's it there. NVFI. I don't have a prediction. I don't do predictions, but the resistance, now the resistance 4.5, 5.13, and 5.9. If you could break those areas, we probably end up pushing 6.8. But yeah, there's a lot of resistance here, even on the daily. It probably might end up fading out, you know. Let's see. I'll take profits as you go. That's the main focus. Alright. See. SYR has no volume on this right now, so not a day trade, but the daily looks good in the sense that if you're swinging this, probably not as bad. Yeah, it looks like it has room for 7.8, but yeah, I wouldn't day trade this personally. NVFI, MBOT, yes, this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it here. Done with the stream. I'll catch you guys in the Discord if you're in the Discord. If not, you could join the Discord through this link. Show you. More than welcome to join us. Follow the Instagram. Post trade reviews there every night. Here you go. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Peace out. See you guys later.